The noise is British. What is this walk? You get this by giving yourself a really high combo. And in debug mode, that's not very hard. Wait, I wonder, what is Gustavo's animation for this? I actually did not check. Let's do that. So first, player. I'm doing this with one hand because I'm holding a controller in the other hand. How did I miss? Player set state. States. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, he literally just doesn't have that. Well, he can't taunt. I'm stuck. He can't taunt. I can't enter levels. Bro, I'm stuck. Anyway, that's it. That's it, I guess. The noise is British.